Let us take one more simple problem based on the system interconnection for LTI system. This is the given block diagram. X of t is given to you. This is the y of t, and if you observe, there are 4 impulse responses h1, h2, h3 and h4. They are interconnected in this fashion. We need to represent h of t, overall impulse, in terms of these. Okay. Now let us start with this first. If you see, there are 3 lines getting connected to this adder, and here there is one subtraction sign. So we need to go for addition or subtraction, and it is a parallel connection. Okay. So in case of parallel connection, when this impulse responses are connected in parallel, we need to either add or subtract. That's what is being done here in this first block. But observe here you don't have any impulse given. So if nothing is there, it means we have 1 here. Okay. And in signals, in the introductory concepts, we have seen that 1 can be represented by means of impulse function delta of t. So instead of simply writing 1, we can put it in the form of signal delta of t. It should be added with h2 of t, but it should be subtracted with h1 of t. Okay. These are interchangeable, no issues. So this complete block parallel connection can be represented in this fashion. Then remaining 2 blocks connected as it is. Now in the next step, this itself is the final step, wherein these 3 blocks are connected in series, and whenever we come across a series connection, we need to use convolution sign. So this is the first block written as it is. Then H3 and H4 both should be used with the convolution sign. So this is how a parallel connection and a series connection is reduced to a single block with overall impulse response h of t represented in the form of h1, h2, h3 and h4.